everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dark Cloud. In the last part, we finished off going through all of the normal floors of the Divine Beast Cave. All that's left is to take on Dran himself. We finished all of the buildings around Norune, and we've got all of the special items that we can possibly get at the moment. So now we had to rebuild Norune, because you want to make sure you have not only 100% collection and completion for each building, but you want to also have 100% on the town build itself, because you'll get something out of it in the end. And off video, when I went to check out the mayor's place real quick, he had two chests in here: an anti-curse amulet, which I'm going to sell, and this, a pocket. Definitely grab this. Do not forget this. It might be different for you, but I found it in here. So definitely grab it, because we can carry more slots now. Absolutely do not forget that. Alright, we got a village to rebuild. We got a nice empty lot. So, where should we start this? I think I'm gonna start out with... Alright, I'm going to start out with the... Let's start with the pond. I've always liked the pond. The pond's like a good focal point. Okay, there's like I see the sign for fishing, so where is it? I lost it already. There it is. So let's have it there. I want to have like nice in the center. 1, 2. Oh God, sorry about that. Nice in the center. So this is the center of the village. So 1, 2. God damn it. 3, 4, 5, 6. God damn it. 7, 8. So this is probably about roughly. This is about roughly the center, right around here. Right? No, one more. Because we got 1, 2. Well, that's not a good indicator. Neither is that. I need like a square house. This is fine. 1, 2, 3, then blah. 1, 2, 3, then, well, it's not really the center, but it's damn close enough. Alright. So, yeah, the only way to do the requests, you actually have to go talk to the homeowners. So, I know Macho wanted to be closer to the dungeon, because I remember him mentioning it was a good training workout. Actually, no, hold on. Move this down one more. Alright. And since the pond's like the focal point, let's stick some roads. Alright, that's a pretty good way to start things out. Now, trying to think here. Let's just stick that there for the moment. I know that Macho like being closer to the dungeon. You know what? Let's just stick Hag's house down here and see what he wants. Let's see what the Hag wants. Do this one at a time. Hag! How should I build Norune? An itsy bitsy amount of magic is in Dran's windmill. It's strange, but if you stand near it, you'll feel full of energy. I like my house being in front of Dran's blades. Alright? And isn't it odd that with all that's been going on, Dran hasn't done anything? It really is odd. Something's happened to have Dran too. Tone, please save Dran. That is my request. I guess I have 2 requests then, don't I? So yeah, this place won't actually be finished until we defeated Dran, but we can complete one of them. So let's just stick her... Let's stick her in front. Let's just stick her right there. Wait, how would the road setup be? Roads? I guess you really can't center the roads, can you? Consider you're kind of limited to how many roads you can have. No. I'm gonna remove that one. Well, where's the stairs? Oh, it's right there. No, that works. Alright. Alright, so... Still at 0, huh? Alright. So... The next house... Macho... Let's stick Macho... Well... No. Might have to get closer. There we go. Sweet. Alright, let's see. Let's start with Laura. Where does you want to go, Laura? Hopefully you're inside. How should I build Norune? Thank you, Tone. Gina's happy too. She says she can sleep now. Okay, okay. I guess I did it. I don't know what she wanted, but I did it. Georama? 25! Cool. Maybe get your house a little closer to the road. Boop. Alright. Easy. Okay, first place. Alright, Gaffa. Did I satisfy your request? I have my many more customers lately. I'm grateful to you, Tom. Thanks! Alright, that's done. Alright, on that. On that, where you at? How can I rebuild Norune? You know those type muscle brothers, just not my type. Okay, well, I guess basically that means she doesn't want be anywhere near them, so I might have to rethink my layout. I might have to stick her over here somewhere. That's dumb. Let me do this. Let me shift some stuff around. Bib. I need Laura's house. 'Cause I can't move Macho's. Macho's needs to stay. Or not Laura's, Allnet's. And I think Allnet wants to be further away from the mayor, so she can't be anywhere around here, so she's gonna have to stay down here. So Allnet's gonna have to go somewhere over here. Let's stick you there. Okay, we're still at 37. Good. Or no. Let me move you. I don't want to have your stuff set up. She's right there. I think she wanted to look more towards the pond, so let's give her a view. Let's give her a view. Allnet, you wanted to be away from these guys, so what's somewhere over here? No. God damn, how far do you got where you gotta be? God damn, yes, Allnet wants to be far away from the Macho Brothers. Good lord. Oops. Okay, so long as it's beyond, so long as she's in this area and not any closer, she should be good. Alright. Going back to back. Well, that's kind of stupid. That's kind of dumb. Just how far can I go down? Wait. I can go one more space, can't I? Stick you there. On the road. Can I connect them? I feel like I can move. Well, I guess I can. I guess I can. Alright. Next one is Claude's house, and I believe he just likes food. So the only person that has food is Gaffer. So he probably wants to be as close to Gaffer as possible. So how about right there? No. God damn. Damn it. God damn. Stick it right there. Are you happy? Yes. He just wants to be as close to Gaffer as possible. Alright, well, that's fine. I guess. And then... Oh, that's right, I haven't gotten to his event yet. Shit, forgot about that. He was asleep. You're still asleep? Goddamn, guy. Alright, we got my houses, that's all that's left. I can't remember what our mom wants. Oh, there's a chest there. Gourd! Yee-hoo! Sweet. Like I mentioned, when it comes to items, everyone should be pretty much evened out in terms of HP and water levels. Obviously, defense is going to vary depending on the character's starting defense stat and if you're trying to go for the max defense value for the upgrade items. But in terms of HP and gourd levels, everyone should have roughly the same amount. Actually, everyone should have about the same HP and gourd levels by the time you finish an area completely. So if say like you so for bread. So if you finish this area and well, it also depends on if you're distributing the items to everyone out evenly. You don't want to load Tone with a bunch of Fruits of Edens and have him have like 120 HP or something, and Zhao will only have like 70. You don't want that, because the final boss in this game is a party battle, so you want everybody to have as much HP as possible. Let's build a room. Let's see. It'd be lovely for the morning sun to come in from the upstairs window when I wake up to wake me up. That doesn't tell me a whole lot. The morning window, the morning sun, huh? I'm guessing that's the window right there. So I guess she wants to face it this way? No. So... No, she doesn't want that. It's hard to tell which is the upstairs window, because there's a window right there. There's a window right there. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh. Shit. Oh, okay, so that's the way she wants the house to face. So, oh man, how am I gonna make this work? I could move Cloud's house. It's kind of facing that way, and there's really no other way to do it. I don't have to move Claude's house. Claude. You're still satisfied with that requirement. That's kind of stupid though, because it's all cluttered right there. No. No, that's dumb. That's dumb. It's gotta be facing this. There's a gap right there. That's kind of stupid. Thing is, you're kind of really limited. I can move gap for shit over here. Kind of like balance out this place a little bit. Might do that. No, because I want to have a road going that way. Well, no, because this stupid house is getting in the way. I do want to use the rivers too. I don't really have that many. Let me use the rivers. Well, first off, this house is kind of like way out in the boonies. The river. Oops. No! Remove! God damn it. Well, you really can't have an bam. Well, I guess you really can't have a road because you can't put a road like right at the bottom of these stairs. Well, okay, well, I guess I can't do that. Shit. Get rid of all that. I might have to rethink this placement. Because I don't want. trying to think here. How many roads do I have left? I got 6 roads. Let me move. No. Because I don't want to load all the houses in this side of the plane. I want to kind of space all the houses out. Well, how do I want to handle the rivers? Kind of cool if I just like divide the rivers up. Then I'll put Tone's house like way out in the fucking middle of nowhere. Oh, Tone. I also forgot about Paige's house too. Shit. What does Paige need? No. Hey, there's a chest in here. Repair powder. Where's everybody at? Forgot about you guys. Okay. I should have been. No! You know I like fishing, don't you? Okay, so I guess he wants me near the pond. So we're at 762. Oh. Alright, 75. That's perfect. And Claude's can go right there. That kind of balances things out a little. Well, yeah, that kind of balances things out. I could put some roads there. That kind of balances things out that way. Not everything's like all on that side. No? No? Oh, come on, guy. What do you want with me? Maybe he doesn't want. Maybe it's Gaffer he doesn't want to be near. Fucking Claude needs to wake up, and I keep going to him at the wrong times because he's probably fucking asleep. This Fatstone needs to wake up so I can actually talk to him. Oh god. Alright. Oh wait, didn't AllNet cook? Shit, man. So it wasn't Gaffer, it was AllNet he wanted to be near. So I could put Claude's house there. Where am I gonna put my house though? Because it needs to be facing that way. I don't want to do that. $87. Okay, that should be still fine, right? I mean, obviously I'm not gonna build the best looking house, obviously. I want to use like everything. Stick something there. No. Oh, wait, that could work. I could put something back there. Cause I have windmills. River. I could do this. Mayor can be like the divider from the town. That's what? 1, 2 spaces from the corner. 1, 2. Couple bridges. Oh. Oh shit! No! Alright, I have 1 bridge left. You know what? Do that. Alright, this should work. Got a windmill. Stick a windmill there. Should I face him away the same way the windmill is? I probably should, right? Alright, this is working out. Got some trees to put in now. add a little bit of nature. Some trees back there. I can move this one. Move this one somewhere. You know, that's actually not bad. It's actually not a bad looking town if I do say so myself. I think that's all the stuff we have. Yep, I still gotta fucking do Claude's event, but he's asleep. Yeah, that's not too bad actually. Obviously, it's not gonna be complete until I've beaten Dran for Hag's place, but yeah, this is like, oh well, I'm just gonna road. Hang on. Alright. Yeah, it's actually nice. I can move a tree. Stick a tree down there. Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, I'm satisfied. Yeah. Now, of course, I can't do fucking Claude's event because he's asleep. Thanks, Claude. Alright, let's wander around. Make sure there's like no other items like this. Yeah, I really like this actually. I should build Norune. Hello. Check the village after you return to from the dungeon. Sometimes you'll find treasure chests sitting out. Instead of items used for adventures. I've figured that out. Gotta double check each house. Hey Gaffer, how you like the new place? While I'm near you, I can restock items needed for the dungeon, and I can also sell my shit that I don't want. Stamina drinks are... I don't really use stamina drinks, honestly, so I'm probably just gonna end up selling them. These you want to keep for Gooey. These I can sell. I'm not getting into fishing, at least not right now. I don't think I ever will. If you're going for trophies, if you're playing on the PS4, there is a trophy for fishing out a rare fish. And I have no intention of doing that. That was a pain in the ass the first time around I did on the PS4. I'm not doing it again. Alright, I already have 9 breads, so initial 3 is fine in my inventory. I think I need 2 more of those. Actually, no. Let's see here. Yeah. Cap this stuff out. You can't go in more than 9, like I mentioned. I need more repair powders. I like to keep... Ideally, I want to have like 9 repair. I want to keep like 9 healing items, 9 water items, 9 repair powders. Ideally, right now the inventory kind of sucks until you get more space, but that's fine. I'm good on recovery powders. I'm good on escape. Stand-in powders, I don't really use stand-in powders. Well, you probably should. I will buy one more. Buy one more antidote. Once I get more money, I'll start buying these. Maybe. We'll see. But right now, I'm not. Of course, I could always do the cheat for all that money, but that's something I'm definitely not going to use. Alright. We're good. Let's wander around, see if I can find any chests laying about. I don't think chests can spawn near rivers or bridges or trees. I think it's just buildings. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. Fucking Claw needs to wake up though. Any more items in your chests in your house, guys? I'm gonna raid it. Nope. I think I pretty much got all the chests lying around, except for Claude's place. There might be a chest or two that might spawn after I finish Claude's event. But other than that, I think I've completed all the items around here. I know for a fact to clear out the windmill. And I think it's just really Claude's house that I really gotta take a lap around later. As soon as it's daytime. Any items I might have missed? I wish you could just like sleep. Nope. Nothing. Yeah, I think I already got everything because I don't think I'm gonna find any more fruits of Edens or gourds or defense items around here. I think I got all of them. Really, I'm just trying to blow time so I can get fucking Claude to wake up. Hello. It's finished. Alright, Claude. Wake up, buddy. Where's Claude's house again? Oh, that's it right there. Alright, guess I'm waiting until Claude wakes up. Fuck. Alright, guy. It's morning. You have to be awake. Oh my god, he's finally awake. Yeah, see, there's a chest right there. Hey, Tone, what's up? Oh yeah, that's right. I have to give you something for fixing my house. Let's see what I have here. Here, take this. Come on, I insist. What do I get? I get a candy. Okay, you're all set. See ya. The fuck am I gonna do with the candy? Of course he's gonna give me candy. He loves candy. What the fuck am I gonna do with the candy? Great. I have absolutely no idea what this does. Alright. Just take a look in his house real quick, grab that chest and see what else is around. Cheese! No candy? I forget, he has wheels of cheese right there. Alright, that's it? Great. Lovely. Alright, we are ready to take on Dran. One last look at the Norune village. I'm absolutely satisfied with how this looked. Yeah. Let's head off to Dran. Alright. Divine Beast, Dran's Chamber. Alright. I believe we're gonna need Chow to start off things off. Alright. There he is. Be careful, Tone. Seems that Dran is being manipulated. Then there's no choice but to fight him. Use your power to break the spell. I should have saved it before coming in here, but we don't need to save. I probably should. At least save stated. Hang on. In case, you know, the game breaks on me. Alright. Need... No! Of course he would be over there. God damn! It's a lot, it's hard. Alright. Where are you going? Oh, that was easy. The sax makes it so much easier. I really got lucky with that sax. What's happened to me? And who are you? What? You see, I was being manipulated. I, Dran, the god of beasts? What embarrassment. Hey kid, sorry about that. I see. So that's what's been happening on the Earth. The Dark Genie. That's what the old man, the Fair King, called it. If that's the case, we might be in trouble. I've heard that name before. Long ago, a monster called Black Demon appeared in East Terra. The creature caused massacres after massacre, and almost brought the world to an end. Neither the most gallant knights nor most powerful sorcerers could stand before the horror of the creature, much less harm it. Its power is seen as vast as the limitless powers of the genies. Thus, people started to call it the Dark Genie. It wiped out nearly all the known kingdoms of the world. Ultimately, only a few people survived on Earth. Then, when all seemed lost, a tribe called the Moon People created an enormous urn that could seal tremendous magical power and trapped a Dark Genie inside. The world recovered and peace was restored. The world was saved by the Moon People and their mastery of the magical arts. That's about all I know. If you want to go after the Dark Genie, you better have the Moon People and me on your side. I hear that the Moon People live quietly deep in the woods, in a place located beyond the Matataki village. The Matataki village is just south of the Norune village. Why not go there first? Sure. Odd that the Fair King, who never liked humans, gave a kid like you the power of that stone. He's got something up. Oh well, I can use some fresh air for a change. Hop my back. I'll give you a little lift outside. All right. I appreciate your work, kid. I don't have a clue just how powerful this genie is, but it was powerful enough to control me. Be prepared and take this along with you. Nice. There is no this is no plain world map, kid. It's a magical map that takes you to the place you point to instantly. First, use this map to go to the land of Matataki village. I hear that Moon People live deep in the Wise Owl Forest. Once you reach Matataki, first thing, visit Great Trent. Follow the river and you'll find it. He might look a bit weird, but he takes good care of people. He should have given you a hand. So long. Alright. Alright, 100%. And just do that. And we've finished Norune village. Look at my lovely little village here. I'd say I've evened things out pretty nicely. Way to go, kid. The villagers are happy now. I realize what the old man, Simba, saw in you. Oh, we finally have a name. You might just be able to beat the Dark Genie. As a reward, I will teach you a special technique. The Lethal Windmill Slash. And he just roars at me. Yeah! Nice. It's a powerful charge skill that causes damage to all enemies near you. Charge with the circle button and release it when you flash 2 times. Be careful though, it eats up WHP very fast. Well, that's all I can do for now. So long, kiddo. Thanks, guy. Thanks for the reward. Alright. Nice. Alright, and when the Norune village is now officially done, we can now head off to a new area. Matataki village. I'll pop in here real quick. Another empty field. Got empty, we got dried up rivers. Huh. Oh. Hey! What was that? I don't know. We're not gonna find out until the next part. I'm gonna save it here, and when we come back, we'll chase after that guy, see what's going on, and we will see what wonders await us in this new area. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next part. Later.